Hey guys, this is Jimmy from jimmysdiy.com. Today I'm going to show you how you could fix a refrigerator or a freezer that's leaking on the floor here. So this is only applicable to double doors, so I have a double door here. One side and the other side is a freezer. So I went ahead and removed the panel from here. It's the cover. It was held with basically 4 screws. So I took them off, and then you can see here there's a massive amount of ice over here. And then it's all iced up. So there's usually a drain valve in here that drains out to the tray down there, so it's all frozen. That's why the water basically is dripping and it's leaking down here. You can see the path right here. So to correct it, you could either leave it unplugged for a while and then it'll fix it. If not, then you have to remove this ice and manually melt that over. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna use a hair dryer right here, and then I'm gonna remove this pile here and let that drip for a while, and then also blow some hot air from far away. Don't do it very close because you don't want to damage anything in terms of a coil. Let them melt. With the normal temperature in the house, it should flow fairly fast. So I'm gonna fast forward. Simply gonna start blowing here so I can pick up this. And then once I clean this up, the mess, water, ice, I'll show you again how to verify that everything is open in the back over there. Alright guys, you can see I was able to squeeze a knife in and I'm able to pick up this whole thing. So I'm just going to remove this and then work on the back part over there. Alright, so you can see here, this is the drain here. It looks like my drain is frozen and it's clogged. The way you could remove it, so it's dripping water, it's standing here, right here. That's the water right here. So the way you could unfreeze it is basically you could do hot water in here, it's fine. You just gotta make sure that the water, you catch it on the floor before it damages your floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on cleaning that. My 1.5-year-old old son wants to help me with cleaning here, so he's hanging out over here. So you can see I was able to put the line in there, and I basically can run it all the way down, and then I'm blowing in there, and now it's open up. So it's going down to the floor. And I can pull it back up, so I know that the line's open up, so now it's reassembling time. Alright, so just to verify that before I close up, I just want to make sure when I put a hot water in there, it drains out. So slowly you're going to drain the water in there, and if it does not stop here, then it's all good. And you could also make sure the hot water will clean out leftover ice. So it did go down. There's no hot water standing or water standing now, so it's opened up. So that's all. Alright, so guys, the testing is done with the hot water. The drain's working now, so I'm just gonna reassemble this panel. So that's covered up. This is for Frigidaire. You take the panel and you just simply slide in, and then you just put these screws back into the screw slots, which are one of these here. And I'm going to do it for the rest of them. So once you do all 4 of the screws, then you assemble your trays and all that. And that's about it. It's simple. Thank you for watching. If you guys liked the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for additional video. Thank you. Have a great day.